This is the MacBook Air M1, which is Apple's powerful, portable and affordable computer. The older previous Air weren't as good as this, and the value for money was not at all great when compared to other machines out there. But this new MacBook Air M1 beats all the computers in the market. It is as good as 16-inch MacBook Pro, which is more than double its price. This is so powerful that it can win against most of the custom desktops. Yes, this is just 13 inches. It's not even the Pro model. It's such a beast. This comes in a typical MacBook box, and you also get the most important Apple stickers. Who cares about the charger and stuff? The design of the laptop is quite good. The wedge shape or the taper in the front is great and makes typing even more easy. The build quality we can't complain because it's Apple. This machine has Apple chipset instead of Intel processor. That's what makes this machine the best laptop in the world, period. It has 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU. You can choose from 8GB of RAM or 16GB, and the storage option is from 256GB to 2TB. The fact is that 95% of the people only need 16GB of RAM. It's unnecessary for most of the people, and when it comes to storage, 256GB does the job well, but you will need a SSD or HDD with it. If you want to make your setup value for money, then go for the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. That will do the job seamlessly. Coming to the performance, I don't play games, but what I do is put a load on this thing by editing a 4K video. Trust me, it handles it with ease. It's extremely powerful, even though it does not have a dedicated graphics card. Portability of it is also great. It's small, handy, it does not weigh that much. It's around 1.2 kgs. It has 2 Thunderbolt ports, a headphone jack. It's easy to carry around. The speaker on this thing is just wow. You won't find any better speakers at this price point or even at the high-end Windows laptops. The display is good, the colors are accurate, but if there would have been more screen to body ratio, that would have been extremely good. But it's not an issue. The keyboard is good too. The key travel is perfect for my liking, and it also has Touch ID. This laptop does not have a fan. Yes, I'm serious. It handles all the load without any thermal issues. I use this laptop straight for 6 to 7 hours and it barely gets warm. No fan means no noise as well. Everything looks great about this laptop. If we talk about the battery life of this laptop, it's impressive. I get about 18 hours of battery life on this. If you charge your laptop fully, it will last you for 2 to 3 days. The previous Apple laptops used to get around 10 to 12 hours of battery life, which was great. But this gets 18 hours of battery. Another feature about this laptop or any Apple laptop is that you get the exact same amount of performance when you plug it in for charging and when you haven't. When you compare it with the MacBook Pro M1, there is a slight difference in performance. The MacBook Pro M1 has fan, it also has touch bar, but I'm not a big fan of touch bar. I like physical keys more. Then the big difference is that the price point. It's more expensive machine. Coming to the usability and day-to-day working, I wish there should have been more ports. But you can solve this issue by buying dongles, and you will have to carry it around every time, everywhere you go. Without this, your workflow won't be as good. You will have to purchase accessories and there are a lot of options to choose from. Another problem is that it still has 720p camera. At least Apple should have provided 1080p camera, but it's not that bad. There is one thing that I don't like about this laptop is that you can connect only one external display. At least there should have been an option to connect two displays. This laptop works even better when you have a whole Apple ecosystem around you. I'm not an Apple fanboy expressing my excitement. This laptop deserves the hype. You should definitely consider it if you are in need of a powerful laptop. This laptop comes with the iOS Big Sur. I really like the Big Sur wallpaper and screensaver. It's very good, and the new music when opening the laptop is just so nice to hear. The overall experience is quite satisfying. You get more than what you pay for. That's it for this video. I hope you like it. Like the video and share the video. See you next week, which is Apple's most affordable and portable This is the MacBook Air M1. This